Hey guys, in this video, we're talking about how to be a cool young guy. Whether you're a teenager or just want to up your cool factor, this guide is for you. Part 1. Fashion and style. One of the biggest ways to express your individuality and show off your coolness is through fashion and style. Invest in a few key pieces like a nice pair of shoes, a leather jacket, and a well-fitted shirt. Accessorize with a watch, sunglasses, and a unique piece of jewelry. Part 2. Confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to being a cool young guy. Stand tall and make eye contact. Speak with conviction and clarity. Don't be afraid to be yourself and embrace your unique qualities. Part 3. Interests and hobbies. Having interests and hobbies outside of school or work can help you stand out and show off your coolness. Find something you're passionate about, whether it's sports, music, art, or anything else. Make an effort to pursue your interests and get involved in your community. Part 4. Social skills. Having strong social skills is crucial for building relationships and being a cool young guy. Be a good listener and engage in conversation. Show a genuine interest in others and try to make them feel appreciated. Outro. In conclusion, being a cool young guy is all about having confidence, being yourself, having interests and hobbies, and having strong social skills. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to being the coolest young guy around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.